In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to play Roblox like on your PC on mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Regardless of if you are using an Android or iOS device, when you download Roblox from the Play Store or the App Store and you open it up, you can clearly notice that the game is very different from its PC version. Even on the menus or when you join a game, you will notice some big differences on the menus, how they function, etc. If you go through all the settings, all the options, you will notice that there is no direct way to make it look like its PC's counterpart. Even if you open up a web browser and you go to the Roblox website, this is the only thing you get. As you can see, since I'm using an Android device, it tells me that I need to download Roblox for Android, and likewise, if you are on iOS, it would suggest you to go to the App Store to download Roblox for iOS. Even if you select Continue in Browser and you try to download the Roblox PC version on your phone, you will notice that it's impossible because as of today, you need to download the corresponding Roblox version for your device, and there is no way to make Roblox look like its PC counterpart on your phone. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to play Roblox like PC on mobile. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.